In this video, you'll learn how to link a table to a calendar in Notion. By the end of this tutorial, you will have successfully integrated these two features to enhance your productivity and organization within the platform. Begin by navigating to the Notion website. Ensure you have a stable internet connection, as this will facilitate a smoother experience while working with your pages. Once on the Notion homepage, log into your account using your credentials. After logging in, locate the workspace where you want to create your new page. Click on the title area at the top of the screen. This action allows you to create a new page dedicated to your project or tasks. Enter a descriptive title that reflects the content you will be managing. Once you have titled your page, click on a blank space within the page. This step is crucial because it prepares the area for new content and integrations. After clicking, you will notice a cursor indicating that you can start typing or entering commands. Next, type in /database and wait for the menu to appear. This command will prompt Notion to provide you with options related to database features. Select database inline from the list that appears. This selection will create an inline database that you can view alongside your other content. After the database is created, click on New Page within the database. This action opens a new entry where you can input specific tasks or items. Begin by typing in Task 1 or any relevant title for your first tasks. This naming will help you keep track of your responsibilities. To add another task, click on New Page again. This will allow you to create a second entry in the database. Type in Task 2 as the title for this new task. You can repeat this process to add more tasks as needed. Once you have your tasks entered, click on a blank space outside the database. This action will help you return to the main page view. Then click on Add New View to customize how you want to visualize your tasks in relation to the calendar. In the view options, select Calendar. This step integrates a calendar view with your tasks, allowing for better scheduling and time management. After selecting, calendar layout appear on your page. Next, click on Table to switch back to the table view. This will allow you to see the list of tasks you have created alongside the calendar. Now that the calendar is added, dates will be available for selection in the table. Choose a date for task 1 by clicking on the corresponding date field. This action will open a calendar interface for you to select the desired date. After selecting a date, click on a blank space to confirm your choice. To set a date for task 2, click on the date field for that task. Again, select the appropriate date from the calendar interface. Once you've chosen the date, click on a blank space to finalize your selection. Continue this process for any additional tasks you have created. Ensure that each task has a corresponding date assigned to it for better organization and tracking. After you've set the dates, click on a blank area to exit the date selection. Finally, click on the calendar view again to review how your tasks are now integrated with the calendar. You should see both your tasks and their respective dates displayed, confirming that the linking process is successful. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.